Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to add the photo to a contact on this device. First we need to open the Contacts app. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and here tap on the Contacts icon. Now let's find the contact we want to add the photo to, for example this one, and then tap on it to select it. Here tap on this icon above the name, the camera icon, and right here we have two options, gallery and camera. If you select the gallery option, you can select the picture from the gallery, and if you tap on camera option, you can take the picture with the camera on your phone. I'm gonna select the gallery option. Here we have the gallery. Now I'm gonna tap on albums, right here, select the downloads album, and here I have the picture I want to use. Tap on it to select it. Now we can crop the image. Basically we can make this frame bigger or smaller, move it around, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted circle right here is gonna be on our contacts photo. Okay, I'm gonna move it like this and then tap done to confirm, and here we have it, preview of our contact photo. Then tap save, and as you can see the photo was added to our contact, and here we have the small icon of the photo and the bigger photo. And that's how you add the contact photo to a contact on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.